Okay, sis, you want to start the intro?
No, not here! Oh, hell! No. No with the
Just
voice
sit.
here.
Just
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessica's Toy Reviews featuring my sister Sam.
And Jess's 3 friends, Shane, Alex, and Andrew. I love how they're just like partaking in this like experience of me opening my $350 box of Lulu's.
Funny.
I know.
Look, there's a pig Michelin version where it's like a Michelin pig. So I have the Lulu Saturday. Isn't this so cute, guys?
Yeah.
Anyway.
She actually.
Don't tell me what it is, just open it. I'm hoping for the special, which is them watching a movie together. I think that's really cute. Oh,
I like the paper bag one.
okay.
Or the cattery one.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Do you want me to open it? Yeah, open it. I'm not gonna look at what's in
funny
here. Today I
you
have a
do
card
that.
that tells me what it is. Am I gonna be happy?
What is?
I feel like you're so confused. I went shopping yesterday. It's so cute.
This is really cute. Wait, look at it.
Oh my god.
So they're little creatures that hold.
Show it again.
Again, it is Labubu-esque.
It's Lulu.
Yeah. Lulu. I call it the salute for my Delulu.
Salute my
Getting it,
Lulu.
Lulu the pig. Try pig Michelin. Which one do you want, sis?
I like the tea time one.
I mean, I think you like the tea in
You guys-
general.
can you- Fingers crossed. Something good.
What does that mean?
Oh, it's wrapped. Teacup!
Oh!
It's a teacup!
Ah! Wait, the 3 out of wait, that is so cute.
And they even come with a little cat!
That is actually really cute.
Look at it. I'm gonna.
Oh, this is the one that I said I liked.
Yeah,
It's actually
I love
cute.
it. It's so cute. Well, you open. There's beach party Lulu. You can open this one. I really want the watermelon soda one or the shaved ice.
Let me see. I want the watermelon. Oh, the sandcastle one. I like the sandcastle one. Wait, this is 2
Oh,
parts.
that
That's
was
actually,
so nice.
wait, it's actually a good deal. That has 2 stuff in it. We got a special.
Wait, we did?
We got a special.
Wait, where is it?
Look, wait, it's on the TV.
Oh my gosh! Wait, why is it not ugly though?
Yeah, I said I didn't like how the specials look at me. No, come back to the take where I said I didn't like how any of the specials
No,
look.
look at the options. You either get one of these cute pics or you get this fucking like popsicle.
But that one's the rare one. It's just
Yeah, but I
ugly.
wanted the watermelon soda or the surf one would have been cute. Honestly, any of them would have been cuter. You're gonna open this one. I'm gonna open this one. This one is a Lulu Piggy Travel.
I want to see.
There's different options. I think any of these are really cute.
Oh, these are really cute.
The Take Me Away is so cute. I want this one or the
The Take Me
Daydream.
Away, I agree. I like all of them, honestly.
They're all really cute.
What, Steve?
That's you.
Can you clap that fast?
Yeah, I didn't talk that fast.
I can't even keep up with it.
Oh, what is this?
Magnifying
Oh, this is Pig
glass.
Explorer. This is so cute.
It's actually really cute. Is it a real magnifying glass?
Oh, that's cool.
Wait, this is how you use a magnifying
Oh.
glass. How do you use it? Like this. Oh, it is. It's a real magnifying glass.
You can start a fire with that.
We love blind boxes.
Oh, that's cute actually.
I think my favorite's this one. So
Me too.
That's
That's
a magnifying glass. It's so funny.
I like how it comes with the whole baseboard.
I know, but I don't know how to do this.
The film, but I'm assuming you don't want me to peel it. So.
Hi, Mom. Just ignore us. Okay, you can put the next one.
Okay. I like. I'm not gonna lie. This one's the
Yeah,
scooter
yeah.
one. Scooter one.
Yeah,
I
the
like
scooter one, or also like the one where they're on
Which
Actually,
I really want the
these are so
alpaca.
cute.
I really want the alpaca. Give me the
alpaca.
alpaca.
Alpaca's still scooter. Okay, open it.
I think my favorite's the scooter and the alpaca. The alpaca's my favorite.
Right here. They're watching us unbox Lulu the piggies.
They're being tortured.
Bye.
Want anything to drink? soy milk. I'll leave it in here.
I feel this made me realize Sam and I actually have very similar mannerisms.
Yes.
But you don't laugh like your sister.
Yeah, Sam's like rolling on the floor.
Rolling on the floor.
I'm praying to Jesus. Whatever God there is out there.
Oh, it's cute!
Very Lulu.
Man.
It's actually really cute.
It's so cute. cute. Okay.
Oh no, this is the big
No.
one.
There's so many of them.
This is this. Okay, wait.
Mom, do you want to open a Lulu?
What?
Come here, come here.
I did Lulu at the office already.
Oh,
Anyone.
But how big are you getting?
No. We open the others, but not these.
I won't do this.
Now you have to look at the back and tell me which one you want.
I like the one that's sleeping.
Me too. Okay, open it, Mom. So you open it from the Moly tab right
the
here.
most like her.
I didn't get a sleeping one because it's like not the same shape.
Aww.
How come there's two pieces?
What is that? Wait,
One with
open,
little
open it.
baby.
What is that? I don't know. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's the pumping Lulu.
Is that good?
It's cute. It's cute.
Oh, that one's like,
or not?
He's
No,
chunky.
that one's a bit too much
I'm
rough.
gonna put on this side just to
Yeah.
see how big.
Let's start contrast.
Mama and baby.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh, I got a mama and baby.
Good job, Mom.
The go potty one is so funny.
Oh, what's this?
Oh.
This one is. It has a. I can't tell what this is, but it's not so special. Oh, I think this is. This is Masco Clock Lulu.
Let me see that one.
Look.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, he's in like a robe or something.
Okay, I am really hoping for the food coma one or the nap or this 99 one. I'm doing what Mom does. I'm feeling it up.
That's what she said.
Oh, I think I know what this is. Actually, no, I don't.
Oh my god, it sticks on. It's magnetic.
Oh.
Wait, it's making that actually really cute. Andrew's actually should have chose the wrong career. Oh, it's a shower one.
Oh my god, I love that. It's called Fresh Up Lulu.
Look at all these shower stuff.
Oh wow.
A lot of accessories.
Okay, come on. Food coma Lulu. Food coma Lulu. I just want you. I don't want anyone else except for you. No, it's not 99 Lulu. Oh.
Oh.
I like that one.
This one is Skateboard Kid Lulu.
Oh, that's cool.
It almost like reminds me of you, sis. It's kind of giving wee.
Wait, actually, it kind of does look like me.
Oh, it's a
It's
little
actually
cat.
giving me.
It comes with a little cat too.
Wait, this kind of does look like
Wait,
me.
there's a skateboard as well.
Put it on top of the skateboard.
Yeah. How many boxes do we have left?
4.
Four more. 4 chances to get food coma Lulu.
I actually really like the skateboard one now.
Me too.
No.
It didn't say CPU specifically.
Wait, I don't know how.
Alright. No, oh no, it's gonna be food coma.
Food coma.
Or the look at the refrigerator one's really cute too.
Yeah, food
A
coma.
secret.
I need a secret that's special.
Yeah, no worth it at all.
Whoa! I got the 99 one! Wait,
Oh my god,
look how many accessories this has. That's
I know.
crazy.
Oh, that one looks like it's posing.
Look at how flat this Lulu is. It's like a spam.
Oh my god.
Maybe it comes with a little sticker for the spam to stick around it. I'll do that later.
This is so cute.
Like it's fuzzy?
Yeah, like in the
It's
inside.
blocked.
It's actually really cute. Look, does this look like Mom?
It does.
Is this sleeping one?
Yeah.
Alright! Let me see.
This looks like
I'm so cute.
I'll put it in the family room so Mom can sleep with it.
Let's see who can sleep the longest.
I like the spam one.
Me too. It's actually cuter when I more look at it.
Yeah, I actually really like the spam one. You should put them random places in the house or like little side quests.
Oh my god, that'd be funny, like little Easter eggs.
So like, people supposed to be on his head, but it's not really, whatever. The amount of sheer wrapping is insane.
I fell off,
Okay.
I fell off the chair. I lost my balance.
These are beautiful.
What is this? Oh, it's
last box, sis.
Alright, here we go. Last chance for special Lulu.
Please, please. Any of the specials. Any special. What are we missing? Oh, Go Potty Lulu is also kind of cute, but I really do want the special.
Actually, honestly, getting Go Potty Lulu wouldn't be bad.
Okay, come on. Please. Please. Potty!
Oh, it's cute.
It's so cute. And he even has a potty. But he's in these special ones.
Is it in the toilet?
Yeah, it's a toilet.
Oh.
I think that one has to be my favorite.
I can't. I'm trying. I'm trying. Anything pan is actually my favorite thing ever. She actually did a fan.
Oh, we'll do it later. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it once she sets up her Lulu. We're not going to Lulu. He's actually good. Okay. Other time, let's sit here and bye. Anyway, you're gonna come back for the extra.
Yes.
Anyway, so this was our Lulu unboxing.
Your Lulu box.
My Lulu unboxing, and this cured my Lulu. So yay for Lulu. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and thank you sis and friends for joining. And oh, shout out to Andrew for the. Oh, that was so jokes. Oh, gas is stable.
We can all just commentate from behind each
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
it can be the sisters up there, you know?
The three
Unboxing together.
sisters plus the three men.
You know, just your male voices in the background.
For your help.
No, I just don't want the garbage can. I gotta make this high quality, yo.
I called yo. She yo.
You know when you make too much money when you can buy these trinkets?
They're whispering. They're looking at us.
They're like judging. They're like, oh, these are what women do.
Oh.